You're gonna, is he stuck? Oh no, he's, whoa, roll up your window.
Why is he following
Something.
me? Why is he following me? He's following me, like
Oh.
his mother. Are you my mother?
What the fuck?
Oh my god! Mama, where are you
Did
going?
we forget something?
Oh my gosh.
Whoa, he's chasing us.
He's chasing us, why?
What's going on there, buddy? What?
God.
What the fuck?
Oh my god.
Wow, this is crazy. Did we? Is he pissed at us?
Do we have his children?
I don't know. Do we?
I don't know.
Is there like little baby eggs in here?
Yeah.
This is weird.
This is strange.
Wow. Wow.
I don't know what to do.
Whoa. 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 Wow, he's keeping up with us.
I'm going slow.
We need the air on.
Yeah, we need the air on.
Is he gonna follow us all the way to Big Beach?
No, this is like the strangest thing ever.
Ever.
Wow.
Ever. Wow. He is riding right next to us. Where did he come from?
When we were pulling out, I noticed him trying to sit on the window, and then I'm like,
There he goes. Wait, no, he's...
coming back to my side.
I don't know. Wow, that was weird.